Hi guys, Jann here and welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, I will be doing a soft, natural, everyday makeup look because why not? So, brows first. I am using a powder brow product. So, I will be dipping into a black powder to match my black hair. Okay? Simple lang ni guys. Soft, natural lang. Take note. So, mag-line lang ko under the brows and fill the center of it. Simple lang ni, dili baga, nipis lang. So, relax lang mo. O, diba? Very simple, very everyday look. Continue lang. Fill your brows. Perfect. And then, the other brows. Same steps. Hala, ang iro, giihaw. Charot. Maunsa man to eh. So anyway, fill ang brows. Simple lang. Everyday look na wow, stunning. Perfect. O, diba? Clean na to konti. Ayan, perfect. So, next, diretso na to sa eyeshadow. So, the palette I will be using is the Jacqueline Hill palette. The first palette. So, since simple look lang atong buhaton karon, let's dip into the browns, the different kinds of browns. Since dagang siya brown, diba? Green side, there, kani. Okay, so let's start. First shade is this one. This will go into my crease, by the way. Just blend it into your crease, back and forth, blend. Yes, perfect. The other side to the crease and then blend. Perfect. Perfect, oy. Remember, this is an everyday look, so simple lang dapat. Diba? Perfect. And then we get a darker shade to put here sa outer crease to have definition. Okay? So this one. Dip and same brush lang para walay laban. So here, yes, perfect. And then blend it under your eyes for a smoky look. Perfect. Other side. Wala na nabaligyag maruya. Perfect. So next is let's choose a shimmer shadow para patato diri sa lids para kaoy-oy para so mas asa may nice siguro kani i-finger na nato, di ba? Di ba nice i-finger? A-finger na charos. So diri na sa lids ana tap na siya diha, tap yeah, blend a little bit and boom, perfect. Oh ha, perfect kasi sa everyday look, diba? So left eye, same step, tap and then blend. Uy, kagwapa, uy. Na. So, next. An eye look is not complete without a eyeliner. Eyeliner. So, I want my eyeliner to be simple lang, cat eye, okay? So, I start here sa inner and then work my way out. Simple lang, simple wing lang, nothing grand. Oh, perfect. Next. So, syempre, kung sinadiri, pantay lang sa bikas. This is the simplest wing I've ever had. Diba? Simple lang, oy. Next. So may next. So it's time for foundation. Foundation. Usually, I use 2 shades to combine. Kaya sa wala ko bala kung sa kong shade. So, combine na lang po. Pagbuot. And next. So, get my this brush. And then, tap. Light coverage lang, uy. Okay, igang na ba kayo sa gawas? Init. Light coverage. Don't forget your forehead. Siyempre, sudpon. Like that. After you put everything on your face, time to blend using a sponge. This sponge. Kasi sprayhan gamay para basta. It's nice and wet. So, tap. Let's powder right away. Using this. And then powder. Perfect. Yeah, so after powder, let's bronze and contour the cheeks and the nose. Okay. Kapaspas ba? So, for my nose contour, I will use this. Ay, asa ba? Kani. This one. Using this brush na flat. para ana. So tap it sa bridge, no, dili sa side o nose. Basically, butang tag 11. 1 and 1. Diba? Subtle lang. Subtle contour. Nothing harsh. Okay? Ito ba? Ano rao? Perfect. And then, let's bronze my face para natay, you know, mubalik ang akong so this shade and here light lang says around my forehead. Dili ko forehead, 5 head. OMG. Ano? I-blend og tarong ha para dili labad. Sa kabila. Yes. So remember, this is everyday look, natural, soft glam, ganun. And then next is blush. Asa itong brush? Ito gamito dira. This brush. It's very nice the color sa blush. Ay, dara di ay. So I am using Aura Blush from Vice Cosmetics in the shade Bucon. Sada! Diba? Nice ba? Diri sa chin, sa nose. Ay, I forgot my jaw. Okay. Ang mga double chins. So this one. Ano? Cut. Perfect. O, diba? Nice. I work so fast. We are almost to the end. I need lips. So lips, I wanted nude, pinkish nude. Ay, kanina lang. This kind. That. So, lining your lips, but not too exage. Just exact lang sa around the perimeters of your lips. So, let's do that. And let's start at the bottom. Line your lips slightly. Yeah, that's it. Cute lips for every day. Yes. So for lipstick, still Vice Cosmetics in the shade Caring Caring. Wow. Perfect. So let's highlight the eye. I forgot. Where's the blush? Here. using this na subtle highlight. Diba? So nice. Sa nose. Sa bridge ng nose. Chin. There. Nice. Almost done. I will just put mascara from Everbilena. Yes. Perfect. Spray. And this is the final look. I told you, it's simple, it's soft, it's for everyday look. Alright, that's all guys. Bye!